Hi everyone, hope all of you are well. I'm back again today with our experience in Porto. Today I'm going to share a fantastic experience about the pride of Porto, that is Luís Bridge. It's also known as Dom Luís I Bridge or Luís I Bridge. It's one of the landmark destinations in Porto. Please note, this vlog is also available in Bengali. You can click on the link at the top. But first, I would like to thank all my subscribers who have subscribed to my channel and supporting my journey as a travel blogger. I would like to request all of you who are currently watching my vlog but have not subscribed yet, please go and subscribe to my channel. That will ensure you will get the updates to see my new vlogs automatically. I have been sharing several blogs on France, Portugal, UK, Venice recently. You can click on the thumbnails visible on the screen at the end of this vlog to watch those. You can also find the same links in the description below. This is a double-deck metal bridge, quite unique of its kind. This bridge is present in many famous movies. Well, it's there recently in the Bollywood movie War in a chasing scene involving the protagonist and the antagonist on the top of the bridge. Please go and watch that movie, that particular scene, and you can definitely relate that scene to this bridge which I'm sharing with you in this vlog. The beautiful scenes on both the sides of the bridge and the view from the top of the bridge are really appealing. The most special thing about this bridge is that it connects the two cities of Portugal, Porto and Vila Nova de Gaia. Whichever side of the bridge you go, the scene on the other side is really charming. Currently, we are at the top of the hill and walking on the upper deck of the bridge. The upper deck is for pedestrians and trams. The lower deck is for pedestrians and cars. The trams in Porto really looks nice, definitely worth a ride, though we have not tried because we did not need to. Now we are accessing the bridge from the side of Porto and you can see the beautiful city of Vila Nova de Gaia on the other side. The bridge is built on the top of the river Douro. The bridge which you can see here is for vehicles. The name of the bridge is Ponte Infante Dom Henrique Bridge. We took a morning ride to Vila Nova de Gaia by tuk-tuk on that bridge. There is another bridge little bit far ahead called Ponte Dona Maria Pia Bridge, which is not properly visible here. And then, little bit far, there is the railway bridge Ponte de São João Bridge, by which we reach Porto by train. I shared the view of Porto from that railway bridge in one of my previous vlogs. There is a monastery on the side of Vila Nova de Gaia which you can see here from the bridge. Isn't the monastery really beautiful, and what a breathtaking location of that monastery. We have gone to the monastery on a tuk-tuk which we will cover in a separate vlog. So please keep watching my channel for that vlog very soon. The waterfront site on Porto on the bank of the river is really beautiful. There are several restaurants and pubs and you can enjoy viewing the river as well as Vila Nova de Gaia with food and drinks. We have done it and will share that amazing experience in a different vlog. You can also walk peacefully along the side of the river enjoying the view. There are few local shops where local made items are sold. The ambience on the waterfront is splendid. The waterfront on Vila de Gaia is really pretty. There's several wine cellars of different brands one after another who are serving the famous port wine. It's so fascinating to see all the famous cellars one after another. This is the heart of port wine. Can you imagine? I'm sure you know or might have heard about port wine. One of my favorite wines is port wine. You can visit a cellar here and enjoy their wine tasting tour, which we did not do though. Rather, we preferred walking on the waterfront and spending time watching the view of Porto from Vila de Gaia. Please hold your breath. We will share that vlog pretty soon. I think it's one of our best walks on any waterfront. There is a funicular which goes up and down the hill. Unfortunately, it was not working on that day. We wanted to use while returning to hotel in the evening, and hence we had to walk back on the steep streets in the evening. However, we enjoyed the walk. This is the lower deck of the bridge, which is accessible by both pedestrians and vehicles. After enjoying walking on the upper deck and also enjoying the waterfront of Vila de Gaia, we are now going to the side of Porto. Here goes my tips for a visit to Porto. Number 1. Please visit this Luís I bridge to enjoy the breathtaking view of Porto and Vila de Gaia from the top of the bridge. Please note, for obvious reasons, the view from the upper deck is much more beautiful than from the lower deck. Hence, plan accordingly how to access the upper deck of the bridge. You can walk, which we did. It's around 20 to 25 minutes walk from the center, or you can use the tram service to access the upper deck. Number 2. Definitely go for visiting waterfronts on both the sides of Porto and Vila de Gaia. Please enjoy the walk, relax and spend time peacefully. I will definitely suggest to reserve a day to enjoy the bridge and the waterfronts on both the sides. Number 3. If you're having accessibility challenge and you don't have your own car, please plan accordingly. Tram service is definitely there to help you access the upper deck of the bridge for both Porto and Vila de Gaia. But it would be challenging to reach the waterfronts as one would need a lift to reach the waterfront. Funicular on the side of the Porto was not working on that day and we did not find any lift on the side of Vila de Gaia. However, you can use cab service, I guess, if you are not driving your own car. Thank you so much for watching the whole vlog. Hope you have enjoyed the experience on this famous bridge of Porto. There are many more exciting experiences to share about the waterfront on Porto and Vila Nova de Gaia. I will be back with those very soon. Please keep watching this space. You can click on the thumbnails visible on the screen to watch my previous experiences. Please don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Till then, please stay fit and healthy. We'll meet you soon again. Ciao, bye.